Hello everyone. Data is the foundation of every successful ServiceNow implementation. From tables and fields to relationships, imports, and data integrity, getting the data model right is critical for performance, scalability, and long-term success. As a ServiceNow implementation specialist, you're expected to understand not just how data is stored, but why it's structured a certain way and how it supports business processes. That's exactly what the ServiceNow Certified Implementation Specialist Data Foundations exam is designed to validate. In this video, we'll walk through several practice questions that reflect how data concepts are tested in the exam, including tables, relationships, dictionary entries, and data imports. Let's get started. Question number 1. A CMDB administrator is reviewing the health of the CMDB and notices a large percentage of the hardware CIs are missing serial numbers. The administrator is concerned this may cause duplicate CIs and would like to resolve the issue in a timely manner. What structured guidelines provided by ServiceNow are available to troubleshoot and resolve the issue? A. CSDM, now create playbooks. B. CMDB Health Dashboard, playbooks. C. CMDB Data Foundations, Dashboard Playbooks. D. CSDM Data Foundations, Dashboard Playbooks. Answer: C. CMDB Data Foundations, Dashboard Playbooks. Explanation: missing serial numbers on hardware CIs is a critical CMDB data quality issue because serial number is a key unique identifier. Without it, CI matching and reconciliation become unreliable, increasing duplicate CI creation risk. ServiceNow Data Foundations uses CMDB dashboard playbooks for structured remediation. These playbooks guide admins to identify impacted CI classes and check data sources. They also help verify mapping transformation rules and fix existing records. Finally, they ensure controls are in place to prevent the issue from recurring. Question number 2. An asset manager wants to ensure that asset records and CI records are kept synchronized automatically. How does the manager do this? Choose 2. A. Ensure that the business rule to update CI fields on change on the asset table is active. B. Ensure that the business rule to update asset fields on change on the CI table is active. C. Ensure that scheduled jobs are run during off-business hours to ensure that sync happens. D. Ensure one-to-one physical mapping between asset and CI. Answer A. Ensure that the business rule to update CI fields on change on the asset table is active. And B. Ensure that the business rule to update asset fields on change on the CI table is active. Explanation: in Data Foundations, govern ensures asset and CI data stay consistent and trustworthy across lifecycle and operations. Assets, financial view, and CIs, operational view, represent the same real-world item. To prevent data mismatch, owner, location, status, the platform uses automatic synchronization. This is done through out-of-box logic that updates CI when asset changes and vice versa. So, both asset to CI and CI to asset update rules must be active for real-time alignment. Scheduled jobs or one-to-one mapping are not the main mechanism for this sync. Question number 3. Where can a CMDB 360 multi-source CMDB saved query be viewed and created in the CMDB workspace? A. Coverage window on the CMDB 360 tab. B. Saved queries window on the Insights tab. C. CMDB query builder. D. Saved queries window on the CMDB 360 tab. Answer: D. Saved queries window on the CMDB 360 tab. Explanation: CMDB 360 saved queries are created and managed in the CMDB workspace under the CMDB 360 tab. This area is specifically designed for multi-source CMDB analysis and query-based insights. Users can create, edit, run, and reuse saved queries from this dedicated workspace. It is different from the classic CMDB query builder used in standard navigation modules. The Insights tab is only for CMDB health and adoption metrics, not query creation. This setup makes it easier to perform repeatable CMDB 360 analysis like coverage and data quality checks. Question number 4. What is the relationship between an application and a server? A. Application used by, uses server. B. Application uses, used by server. C. Application runs, runs on server. D. Application runs on, runs server. Answer: D. Application. Runs on, run server. Explanation. In data foundations, CMDB CIS-DF, relationships must reflect real operational dependencies for accurate impact analysis and visibility. When an application is hosted on a server, the correct out-of-box relationship is runs on runs. This means the application runs on the server, and the server runs the application in reverse direction. It ensures consistent dependency mapping for incident, change, and service impact analysis. Using standard relationships avoids confusion and supports CMDB governance and reporting accuracy. Other options are either reversed or not aligned with proper hosting semantics. Question number 5. A CMDB administrator has been tasked with gathering information for a presentation to leadership. The administrator needs to provide duplicate CI, orphan CI, and stale CI metrics. Which scorecard provides this information on the CMDB Health Dashboard? A. Correctness. B. Compliance. C. Completeness. D. All above. Answer. B. Compliance explanation. Duplicate CIs, orphan CIs, and stale CIs are part of CMDB compliance in the CMDB Health Dashboard. They measure ongoing CMDB hygiene and governance adherence, not just field-level data quality. Duplicate CIs show weak identity controls and poor record uniqueness enforcement. Orphan CIs indicate missing or broken relationships in the CMDB structure. Stale CIs reflect outdated lifecycle management and lack of proper updates or retirement. Together, they represent compliance with CMDB rules for maintaining a clean and reliable CMDB. Understanding ServiceNow data foundations goes beyond memorizing definitions. It's about knowing how tables, fields, and relationships work together to support real-world implementations. Practicing exam-style questions like these helps you think the way the platform expects you to think, from both a technical and architectural perspective. If you'd like access to more ServiceNow CIS, Data Foundations practice questions, check out the link in the description for additional resources available on CertBoosters. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more ServiceNow and ITSM certification practice sessions designed to help you pass with confidence. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your exam.